Hey y'all, hi, Amanda here, and today we are filming my October 2021 Empties video. I did not use a whole lot this month, so this should be a fairly expeditious video. So let's go ahead and get started. I have a Crest Pro Health Multi-Protection Alcohol-Free Mouth Rinse, and I've got like 3 or 4 of these that I brought home from work and just need to use up because I'm not going to take these to travel with me realistically. Yeah. So I have mentioned before, I work in health insurance, and with the dental guy just had given me a bunch of these that I kept at work for when I needed to brush my teeth at work if I was going to a dentist appointment from work during the day. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish these up, but yeah, I finished one so far. Also, dental wise, I finished my last of the David's Premium Natural Toothpaste. And I like David's. I'd use David's again. I have not gone around to price comparing it to a pack of the Hello, but I've already went ahead and purchased a 4-pack of the Hello because it's easy. It's already in my order history in Amazon, and I just clicked a button and it showed up. So yeah, that's kind of lazy on my part. I probably should price compare because I like both of them, but yeah, finished this. And I'm knocking stuff over. Let's see, next I'm getting a lot of emails. I finished the Sparkly Pumpkin. I think this is a bubble bar from Lush, and I'm so sorry. I'm getting like 10 million emails right now. Hopefully that was the last one, we'll see. But yeah, this was really nice. It made the water this beautiful shade of orange. I felt so like fall and luscious, and it was very, very delectable smelling as well. So this was a nice one. I finished up a package of the Peace Out Acne Healing Dots. I think these are actually really nice, but if they only work on a specific kind of bump and only when it's in like the healing phase anyway. I feel like if I just stick it on a bump that hasn't really erupted or done anything yet, it doesn't do much of anything. So I like them, but the use is very specific. The next item I have in here is not something I used up, but something I'm getting rid of because I'm tired of trying to make myself use it. It is from Electrolyte. It is their Tinted Rose Lip Butter. I had gotten this, I believe, in a Vegan Cuts box, and I hate it. It's chunky. It's so gross feeling. I've been trying to make myself use it, and to be completely transparent, I have the Electrolyte Blossom Lip Butter. They're both 6-ingredient lip balms. This one is smooth and it goes on nice and creamy, and it's nice. This one is really nice, but for some reason this pink one, it's like, you could probably see, yeah, maybe it'll focus in on that, but it is chunky and gross. The texture is so weird. I have no idea what happened with this one, but I'm going to stop trying to make myself use it because I don't like it. The experience is not pleasant. I finished up the Paula's Choice Daily Pore Refining 2% BHA treatment, salicylic acid and antioxidants, and this is wonderful. I believe I had some code that added this onto my purchase for free, and while I really like this, I am going to stick to the BHA that comes in the gray container because I think I just like that one better. Yeah, but this is a great product and I'm not discounting it at all. I'm just going to stick with the one that's the same but different, you know. I love Paula's Choice, but a Paula's Choice item I did not love. This is the Water Infusing Electrolyte Moisturizer with potassium and magnesium. And I'm actually working on a full size of this right now. This was a freebie in one of my orders, but it's a great moisturizer, don't get me wrong. It is a fabulous daytime moisturizer. It's just the right amount of moisture you would need, especially in spring and summer. But the smell, I don't want to be graphic, but this smells like, I'm gonna be graphic. This smells like you were dehydrated to begin with. You went out drinking all night. You came home, you didn't drink any water, you slept, and like you had a really, really yellow pee in the morning. Which is weird, right? It's disgusting. yeah, I'm not a fan of smell. I'm still going to use it up because it does perform really well, but it's not something I'd buy again. I really value that they don't add fragrance, but in this case it stinks. So it is what it is. I am going to use up the full size one. And maybe for some reason I'm just getting that smell. Maybe other people don't get that smell. So, you know, enter at your own risk with that one. Another skincare product I used up. This is from The Ordinary. It is their Marine Hyaluronics. And this was a great little booster type thing to add into stuff. I would certainly consider repurchasing this again. This was really nice. Kind of a bit of a random product. I finished up the Thera Tears Dry Eye Therapy, and I didn't really love this. This still made my eyes irritated, or left them irritated, even though they felt a little more moisturized whenever I used this. I've heard good things about the Lumify, I think is how it's pronounced. I can't tell you if any of this is vegan or cruelty free. I don't know how to figure out that information for eye drops, so if someone has a vegan cruelty free eye drop suggestion, please let me know. But otherwise, I'll do a little research before I buy another one, but I think I'll probably go with the Lumify ones. This is a dual mask. This is the Tarte Titan Bright Clay Mask. There's 2 masks in this container. A friend sent me this because she just wasn't going to use it. So the clay side is dried out, and I just don't love using the gold side, even though I used up a ton of it anyway. So I'm just going to get rid of this because it's gotten a little gross. And then there is one item left in this container. This is from J&L Naturals. It is their face mask Hydrate. Now there are 4 ingredients in here: kaolin clay, Dead Sea clay, oatmeal powder, and green tea powder. And something in this, I don't know which one, maybe it's a combination of the 4, wrecked my skin. My skin broke out in painful bumps. It was awful. It took me over a week to get my skin back together and repaired and not looking crazy. So I can't recommend this. If you are sensitive, I'm gonna give it to a friend who maybe will have a better time with it, because I have a feeling that my experience is maybe just a freak one-off, but I'm not a fan of this. Definitely won't recommend it to you. So that's everything I have to share in my empties video. And if you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. And if you'd like to stick around, you could hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, I'll talk to you all later.